Hello everyone! In this video, you will learn how to create a new product in a multi-vendor marketplace. First, log into your seller account. From the seller dashboard, click on Product. Here, you can see the existing product list. There are two methods for creating a new product. Click on Add New Product. In this video, I am going to explain the Search Product option. Search for the product in the search bar. If you find the product, click Sell as Yours. Enter the basic details, choose the condition, enter the price, write the description, upload the image, and click the Save button. And that's it! Sellers can create products easily. Initially, the product will be in the Agent Disapprove state. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.